In this video, I will be showing you how you can link between your domain that you bought from Namecheap to Clickfunnels, so that when you build any landing page or funnels using Clickfunnels, it will have your domain and the domain that is branded to your brand, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So stay tuned. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Ken and I help businesses to grow using digital marketing by using strategies such as funnels and Facebook advertising. So if you're interested to topics like digital marketing or entrepreneurship, do consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. So now let's jump into the computer so that I can show you how you can link between the domain in Namecheap to your Clickfunnels account. Let's go. Alright, so now log into your Namecheap account. Next, you go to the domain that you want to link it to Clickfunnels. Click here, just click, for example, I want to link this to digitallifestylewithken.com, so manage. Then there's a few settings here. All you want to do is just go to advanced DNS, then click on the red here, add new record, go to CNAME record, then here type www host, then click here target.clickfunnels.com, TTL click automatic. Next, the other thing you need to do is this, right? You go to add new record again, find for URL redirect record, then you put an ad here, right? Then you put your website, right? And then here you put masked or unmasked. This depends on you, right? Unmasked, when you click on the link, you go back to the original link. It is not the www.this link, right? What does this do? Right, this do that when you click on this without the www, they will redirect to www, and then it will redirect to Clickfunnels. So it's good to have this, right? Because the moment you have this, then anytime people type your root domain, which is just the domain without www, it will redirect to www. Then this www redirect to Clickfunnels. So yeah, you must do this. So just click yes, and there it is. So you have these two connected to Clickfunnels. Alright, now since you have keyed in all the information here, the CNAME record, the URL redirect record. Next, you go to your Clickfunnels account, the dashboard, right? You click on this on top here. Then you go to account settings, and when you go to account settings, then you go to domain. Click on domain, add new domain. You can register domain in Clickfunnels, but I prefer to register it outside because other than Clickfunnels, I have websites in WordPress as well. So I like to manage all my domain in one place, and that's how I manage it in Namecheap instead of in Clickfunnels. So now add a own domain. Use an existing domain, enter the domain that you already own. So I own this one, already linked. Sometimes you may notice that it's not so fast. It may take half an hour or maybe one day, depends. For example, like .com is much faster compared to using like .co, .co.uk or other things, right? Yeah. So if you're registered with Cloudflare, you can do that. But if you're not, then yeah, just add domain. In order, CNAME www. Okay, we already done that in Namecheap just now. We already done this one, right? I've done this step. Yeah, it's connected and ready to use. Right, so now your domain is verified. There's something that you can look into it and how to do it. Right, just close. So you can associate funnels. So every time when people click on the root funnel, now click on the www.digitallifestylewithken.com, you will go to one of your funnels. Right. For now, I have not created this funnel, so I just leave it like that. Right. So just show me my domains. So now you see that there's this blue line, and this is here has not been secured. So you need to secure your SSL. So this is the next thing you need to do. Just click on the three dots and go on edit. So default page, okay. I would suggest for you to find a funnel that you can use, right? So or not, they will automatically go to Clickfunnels homepage, right? So you do not want that. When people go to your site, they go to the Clickfunnels homepage. You want them to go to a certain funnel of yours. So make sure to change this. So do this 404 error page, but I have not created any funnel on this yet, so I'll just leave it as that, right? So now there's domain forwarding as well. Yeah, this is interesting, right? So you can put in like pattern and things like that. This is actually quite interesting. For example, I put this is go Facebook. For example, right? Then I just save. Because once you point this into Clickfunnels, you're not able to do like domain forwarding here, right? But you can do it here, right? So you click on it. So you just click on this link, right? For example, that is pretty interesting actually. Something that I'll be using it a lot to do my affiliate links. So as you can see, it's not fully loaded yet because it's not fully set up yet, right? So okay, I did not make it active yet. Let me just edit, put it into active, save. You see, When I click the link, it go to my Facebook page, right? So this is interesting, right? This is something that you can look into if you want to do domain forwarding. So this is a zone record. This is if you purchase the domain through Clickfunnels. If not, you cannot do anything, because this is for you to do, for example, your emails or link to other things, right? Other subdomain. So this can be done here. So SSL, this is very important. Add SSL, because Google like things that with SSL, which is HTTPS. Without it, you're gonna have a problem even when you run Facebook ads. You need to have the page to be secure. There, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. After that, that's it. This is how easily you can link your domain in Namecheap to Clickfunnels. Now, if you want to link your subdomain into Clickfunnels, just for example, you want a separate subdomain to different web building platform, right? For example, you want Clickfunnels just do offer for this domain. So you can to do this, you have to create a CNAME record, right? A separate one. Just click here, right? Find a CNAME record. Alright, so now instead of www, you just put like a different name, like offer, right? Then you just put the target.clickfunnels.com and just click yes. So when people click offer.digitallifestylewithken.com, they will be linked to your Clickfunnels. So this is that easy for you to add a subdomain into Clickfunnels. So just to recap, I've linked the root domain, which is this digitallifestylewithken.com, into Clickfunnels. Not only that, I also have a redirect record, so when people click that digitallifestylewithken.com, instead of putting www, it will redirect to www, then it will link back to Clickfunnels, right? Next, I show you what default page you should put, what in error message you should do, what kind of domain forwarding. You can even use domain forwarding, which is pretty cool, and then you set up SSL. SSL is very important, right? And also, I shown you on how to do the CNAME record. This is for subdomain. If you want subdomain, same thing as well. The host, instead of putting www, you put in the value, you put in the subdomain that you want to put, for example, offer, and you link it to target.clickfunnels.com. Yep, that is how you can easily link between Namecheap and Clickfunnels. Thank you. Yep, that's it. That's how you can easily link between your Namecheap domain into your Clickfunnels account. If you like what I share and you like the video that I produce, this kind of topics between digital marketing and entrepreneurship, do consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you find this useful and you want to share to other people, go ahead and do so. Any questions, feel free to put in the comment section below. And if you are interested to contact me somehow, feel free to contact me in all my social media platforms in the description box below. And with that, thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye!